you all okay? Me and Ben are here this morning and we just want to do a little recap on some of our speed sounds. You did this with Mrs. Bourne the other day as well, didn't you? I saw. It was a very good video. Right, let's see what Ben's got to say. Oh no. Ben says it's been ages since he's had a go at these speed sounds, so he thinks he's forgotten them. That's okay, Ben, don't worry, because the F2 children haven't forgotten them. They are so clever, and I'm sure that they can help you. What do you think? Right, let's see. You'll just have to maybe come over here a little bit, Ben. Okay, let's pop you there. And then maybe, oh, that's a good place. You're super there. You can see all the sounds now, can't you? There, brilliant. Right, so we're going to do them super quick, okay? Let's see if you can go even faster than what you did the other day. Are you ready? Get your brain switched on. Your brain switched on, Ben? It is now. Right, let's go. Quick as you can. D, g, a, k, k, e, r, b, o, j, v, w, x, y, z, qu, ch, sh, a, e, I, o, oo, ah, o, ow, oi, ear, yaw. Oh my goodness, that was amazing. Super quick. I think that's the quickest we've done it yet. Give yourselves a pat on the back. And you, Ben, you can have a little pat on the back too for doing a great job. Right, F2, keep practicing your sounds. It's really important. And I shall see you all again soon. Bye.